Our top story tonight. In September, prosecutors in the Chad Daybell and Lori Vallow Daybell cases filed a motion to combine the two trials.
Today, Chad Daybell and his attorney went before a judge to argue against joining the trials. KPVI News that Works for You journalist Kate Garner gives us a recap of the hearing and what this means for the case.
State versus Chad Guy Daybell. This is the time we have scheduled for a hearing on a motion for joinder.
Thursday morning via Zoom, Chad Daybell appeared before a judge to argue against combining his trial with his wife's, Lori Vallow Daybell. Both are facing charges in relation to the deaths of Lori's two children. Chad and Lori don't face the same charges, but prosecutor Rob Wood argues the evidence for both cases is the same, which is one of the main reasons he wants to combine the trials.
That evidence is the deceased bodies of Lori Daybell's children, Tylee Ryan and JJ Vallow. Both of the deceased children were found on Chad Daybell's property in Fremont County, Idaho.
Chad Daybell's attorney, John Pryor, objected to the motion for joinder.
And primarily, Judge, the importance is Mr. Daybell going to get a fair opportunity to present his side of the story?
He argued combining the cases would lead to bias against his client through the prosecution's use of witnesses.
But the fact remains, Judge, that by linking the two of these folks together is still going to provide a modicum of prejudice.
After listening to both the prosecution and defense, Judge Boyce made his decision.
I am going to grant the motion to join at this time. As the parties indicated, that doesn't forego the possibility of a future motion for severance if prejudice is demonstrated by the defense in support of that motion.
Reporting for KPVI News that Works for You, I'm Kate Garner.
Lori Vallow Daybell is facing 2 felony counts of conspiracy to conceal, destroy, or alter evidence in the case. Chad Daybell is facing 4 felony charges, 2 counts of destruction, alteration, or concealment of evidence, and 2 counts of conspiracy. There are currently no murder charges in the case.
Both Chad and Lori were scheduled to have their individual trials next year. No new date has yet been set.